Welders, meet the tool that's got your back. This is the ERX Flange lineup tool, your best friend in the pipe welding world. The ERX Flange lineup tool fits 4 to 12-inch fittings, versatile, reliable, fast, and ready for any job. Plus, it fits in any toolbox. Secured with a chain vise grip, you can put on as many lineup tools as you need. Reversible design, compact form, always ready to go where you go. Proudly designed by Alberta Rig Welder and patented in Canada and the USA. Made with pride, built to last.
I've been using the Flange lineup tool for over 7 years on all production welding jobs. It's the fastest tool around and most versatile. I couldn't imagine welding without it.
Tried, tested, and true, used by over 2,000 welders in Western Canada. Here's how the ERX Flange lineup tool works smarter for you. Pick your side, attach the tool, support your work, fine-tune, two-hole and weld. Weld smarter, weld faster, weld with the ERX Flange lineup tool. Your best friend on the job. Order yours today.